This is Shilpa and I'm Saraswati.
And right now we are being very playful at Playful Palette.
Yeah.
So we thought we'll create a space which brings in art with palette and palette, art through palette and palette.
Palette as in the art palette and palette as in the sensory palette. We wanted to explore a lot more into both of these. And that's how the whole idea evolved and,
So it's not just me and her. So this is like no age or every age.
it's an all-inclusive kind of
We're trying to bring pets inside, but we're figuring that out. So we wanted to create that space which means something while you're doing something you love. While researching, we figured out that we have to create that experience that we as customers were missing from a lot of different places. So she's not a coffee drinker, neither am I, but I started exploring coffee in a different ways. So while we are like researching on the quality part of it, on the beverages, so I started off with coffee and tea, and when I started exploring coffee, to create that experience, I needed the best material in the market. And since our place is all about create something, we thought like, why don't we give that experience to the customer to create coffee with like good equipment. So when I went shopping, this is the best I could get. This is a handmade machine. This is the Ferrari of Playful Palette.
Yeah, we call it our Ferrari.
Yeah, it's the Living Coral Ferrari. Living Coral is our brand color. So we got it custom made. And since then, I was in love with this machine, and come to the cafe and you will fall in love with the machine as well as coffee. So Ola, I was in Bangalore. The best part is you get everything very easy, accessible. So my neighbor Kaapi machine helped me choose everything I needed at this point of time, and I'm going back to them to shop more. So the nice thing about Kaapi machines is the sister company, Something Brewing. Also, I picked up a lot of gifts for my friends as well. So it caters both to home baristas and as well as commercial people like us. And it's nice to have that friendly person who will suggest the good information is missing right now in our industry. So thanks to Shubham, where we started off as friends over coffee, and then the way I explored coffee with him was completely different.
Yeah.
And from there, we met like a lot of people.
The
in
support
coffee.
in terms of with respect to anything, whether it is information or access to, ease of the whole process, it was great.